How to make a private story on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Snapchat account. Then click on your Bitmoji at the top left corner of your screen, which will open your profile. In here, scroll down and you'll find New Private Story. Click on New Private Story. After you click on New Private Story, it will show you all your friends list. Simply click on the person you want to add and click on Create Story at the bottom. Then simply rename your story if you want. Then press on Save. After that, your private story will be saved. Now you can click on Add to Private Story. After you click on it, you can take picture as you normally take. Then press on Private Story at the bottom left. Then the picture will be added to your private story. And this is how to make a private story on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.